Oh hey guys, if you're looking for something that can give your hair some shine and some moisturize, just continue watching my video on how I do my deep conditioner routine. Now you're going to want to get yourself a bowl or a container, something to put your ingredients in. You want a mixing spoon. So I'm going to start off with my Aussie Moist Conditioner, which I rave about. Like, I love this stuff. Like, it's amazing. I can't stress it enough. So you're going to want to put enough conditioner in that can coat your hair. So now you want to put in honey. I use honey because it retains moisture in your hair, which a girl with curly hair needs. We need all the moisture we can have. So you're going to want to put, like, I would say a tablespoon, like it's like a guesstimate. You know, I'm not really measuring, as you can see, I'm just pouring, but not too much. So now I'm going to add almond oil. Let me tell y'all, almond oil has so many healthy ingredients for the hair: vitamin E, magnesium, omega-3, and it also nourishes and strengthens your hair. So use it. It's amazing. And next, I'm going to use argan oil. Now, you know argan oil helps tame your frizz, and it softens the hair and leave it silky. It's just great. Like, who doesn't want silk and shine? Now we're going to put coconut oil in. Like, come on now. Who doesn't use coconut oil? It's just amazing for your hair. And it also helps with growing your hair and nourishing your scalp and removing sebum, build up from the hair follicles. Like, come on, coconut oil is the truth. We all use it. If you don't, get on it. So now you want to mix up all your ingredients together. You want to keep mixing until it's like everything flows together. You know, it's a nice little thick, little creamy mixture. Not too thick and clumpy, but nice and smooth. That's how you want it. That is how you want it. So now I'm going to go wash my hair with my coconut milk. Oh, look at that hair. So here's my hair freshly washed with no product left in it. So I'm going to start sectioning off my hair, getting it ready for my deep condition mix. So I'm going to take one side and put in a ponytail and work with the other side first. So what I usually do, y'all, I usually take 2 whole hand spoons. Let's rewind it, because what the hell is 2 hand spoons? Girl, get it together. So 2 whole spoonfuls of the conditioner mix. And then I'll start off from my roots and work its way down to the ends of my hair. So now that I'm done working my deep conditioner mixture through my hair, I will start flat twisting it down. It's nothing cute, nothing tight, just a loose, flat twist. And if you do not know how to do a flat twist, I can definitely do a video for you. Just let me know, comment below, and I'll do a flat twist video for you, or 3-strand twist, any type of twist you need to know. Comment below and I'll definitely do it. Cause you had my mind blown. So that's one side complete. So I'm gonna just jump over, finish the next side. So voila, done. Bam. 2 twists in my head, ready. So deep conditioner is all in. So now I'm going to grab my plastic cap and put it over my head and let my hair sit for about 3 hours. I definitely let it sit for 3 hours. And yeah, I know 3 hours is nothing. Usually I let it sit for a day, but since I was going somewhere, I really wanted my hair to be dry by the morning time. So now here is my hair, freshly washed from the deep conditioner. So now I'm going to take a little bit of my Aussie Moist and start rubbing it throughout my hair just to have a leave-in in. So I like to work it all the way through. Not too much, just a little light. So now I'm going to take my hairdo. Well, as y'all know, it's not mine. But I'm going to take some of this hairdo and I'm going to start it off in the middle of my head and then start working its way through down, honey. So now I'm going to take my oil mixture, which contains black castor oil, almond oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna work that all throughout my scalp, put it in, and then once it's all over my scalp, I'm gonna massage it, give myself a little massage, get the blood circulation going in my scalp. Okay, so now after that good old massage, I'm gonna put my favorite gel, this Mange gel, all throughout my hair. Not too much, just a little bit, and I'm gonna finger detangle it. When you caught my eyes, girl, you were so So I worked all my gel in, so I'm gonna start scrunching my hair and shaking it out and scrunching. Shake and scrunch. That's basically all I'm gonna do. Okay, so now basically my hair is already in sets to air dry, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, now it's the next morning, Friday morning, February 16th. But look at my hair. Look at my fro. Like, look, it looks so much better than before. Do y'all see that? Yes. Yes, you gotta try it. Oh, look at that definition and that shine. Like, it just looks healthy, moisturized. You look healthy, girl. But yes, that concludes my deep conditioner routine. Please let me know how it goes. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime.